Right, this is a little video of the flip through of my new French ephemera kit. They're I think actually is 100% of these are mine. Okay, that I own myself. I've blown some up, I've enhanced them, you know, made them look a little bit bright. I've kept the rips on some. So, and they also look good shrunk down, but I wanted them so that you could, you know, cut them out, of course, and then fold them up and put them in a journal. Yeah, and then tuck that over if it's too wide. So I've done it that way, really. So they're in portrait there. That's the landscape one. I've got this in the original size as well. There's that one there. And there's quite a lot of texture going on in the background of that one. I thought that was quite nice. And I print these out on 60 GMSN. Oh my God, that's a food enhancer, isn't it? GSM paperweight. So it's very lightweight. You can see through. Okay. I love the rips in that. I'm looking forward to doing that one and then ripping it all up and aging it as well. Then that one there. I love this where this ticket has been. There's another one. There's a couple of the envelopes in a minute I'll show you that I might have used in another kit. I think it's letters and ephemera or something. So sorry if I have. I didn't check. It wasn't in my used folder, but never mind. You've got 20, I think it's 26 pages altogether. You've got 24 pages of ephemera and you've got 2 pages of tags. So I think, you know, if I did do 2 that were in another kit. So sorry about that, but you've got plenty. And then there's those and that one. And then I've shrunk those down there on that. They're smaller. Okay, this is a big chip, and this is some like a letter. That one there. Got some nice writing on there, so that's why I included them. So lovely writing. 1929. Yeah. And then this was a French postcard and like an Air Force letter in it. There's these. That was the colour, but I sort of changed it a bit and made a sort of pinky one there. That was quite nice. That's an invoice there. And then I think that's 1911. Yeah, it was these 2 here, the ones that you fold up. So I might have used that. And another one here. And then I've done a page of collage page with a lot of pages there, and just sort of nice background, isn't it, to use. And the same there, that was a little bit more grungy and tone on tone. That one. And then I've done 2 pages of tags. That was some of the ephemera. Okay. Okay. Right, and they actually look good shrunk down, because I've shrunk some of mine down 2 to a page and 4 to a page. So I'll just show you what they look like a minute. That's 4 to a page. So you've got some little ones there. You could also do it double that as well. But you could cut some small elements out for tickets and things, which I thought, yeah, a bit different. So that was that. That was all 4 to a page. And that was 2 to page. Yeah. There we go. And that's what they look like. And that should go down even smaller, because I've done, yeah, that one there. So it's great. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching then. And like I say, this is for my Etsy listing, so people can see what they get. Okay, bye.